When your lifestyle gear gets out of control, we've got a handy solution. VELCRO brand Industrial Strength Extreme. These heavy-duty fasteners feature an all-weather, ultraviolet resistant adhesive, designed to work with all sorts of rough surfaces, brick, concrete, and asphalt. Each 4-inch by 1-inch strip holds up to 4 pounds and works in temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a 1-2 punch that will whip your garage, utility closet, or garden shed into shape without drilling, epoxy, or screws. When you need to organize it, bind it, or secure it, use VELCRO brand Industrial Strength Extreme Fasteners.